Right, everyone. This is applicable text skills again. Wow, we are progressing gradually. You must have learned a bunch of things, and I'm sure some of us might have started implementing what we've learned, which is very great. You understand? Some of us just need those these hints to start applying these things. Okay, fine. In this episode, we'll be talking about the Gutenberg editor. The Gutenberg editor. Oh well, I would have preferred the classic editor of WordPress. Okay, fine. Like I said, there are a lot of editors in WordPress. And what are these editors? Why are we talking about editors? Why did we even make it a big deal in the first place? Wow, it is a big deal because there was something happened of recent in WordPress. This is not the this was not the actual editor for WordPress. As you can see, I can write things here. This was not the actual editor for WordPress. It was a different thing entirely. It was a whole different thing entirely. But the previous one there was removed. It's not like they removed it entirely because you can still install it back and change the editor the way you want. But this is what will come to you as a default. You understand? So that's where we need to learn how to use it. And the name is called Gutenberg, as I've said the other time. I wish we can have the name around here so you know what I'm talking about. It's called Gutenberg. So now this Gutenberg also is not that bad because it has a whole lot of things there added to it. It has a whole lot of great features, but as a user that has gotten accustomed to the other editors that we have, Classic Editor, Visual Composer, Elementor, etc. It's a bit limiting to use this Gutenberg. But one very awesome thing is that if you know how to use this very well, you're gonna love yourself. Yeah, you're gonna love yourself. So this block, I'm just trying to set something here. So I'm just gonna click on I would like to change it to a full width template. If you like, can do that. If you like, I just want to do that because I felt it would enlarge the screen instead of making it this cogent. This way it is. You can see it's on the middle. It's in the middle. I want something that will be more fat. Let me use that word. So something that will be fatter rather. So right now you can see this button here that says add block. So you can either click that or you can click here to add the block. Huh? So if I click here also, we still have the same thing, but now on a different scale. You can see that it led us back here. So, and as you are going over it, you can see that it's saying, okay, this is the way your blog will look like. This is the way your content you are trying to add. This is what it will look like. You're trying to add a button. You're trying to add. Are you trying to make it this way? So column. Are you trying to make it that way also? Are you trying to make it this way? Are you trying to make it this way? Are you trying to make it this? You understand? So there are a whole lot of things that we can do here. So I'm just going to click on this. So let's see what we have there. Then preview on desktop. So preview tab. So you can see what we have now. You can see that it's filled up the whole screen, which is what I actually wanted. You understand? So do you see over yonder French Chanko or something like that, 30 or 40 or King Giant, and then to do battle with them and slay them? Well, who cares? Look at the way he is and he wants to go and battle. Well, it might be a Wizard of Oz. Okay, well, that's just one of the things we can add. I'm just going to add more blocks here. I can say I can add a code. I can put a classic WordPress editor here. So the classic editor was the previous default WordPress editor, and I'd love to show you, but possibly maybe as we go on, that will be for the advanced. So for now, you can still do a lot of things with this that you have here. So you can have a table, create a table. You can create how many columns you want. I'm just going to create, okay, 6 columns and 12 rows. You understand? Then we have that. Then we can put things inside and like that. So if you try to preview this again, you're going to see our tables there. You can see we have our tables there. Here also, what do we do here again? You can add things here that says you can add image here also. You can add an image here. You can add a gallery. You can embed a simple audio player also. You can add a file, a downloadable link. You can add media and text as you've seen there. Let's add the media and text. Well, but we need to upload. Okay, let's use the one we already have there. You can well, or let's replace it and upload one again, like we've done the other time. Let's upload the bed. You can see now we have the bed. Then you can now post the content. Guess the content we posted. Lip song. You posted lip song. Isn't that funny? So I think that's that. So we have that here. As you can see, we have our content there. Right there, just right there. Sorry, this is another one we created here. So we have a lot of things. Let's check out the gallery. Let's check out. So we can add video, you can add button, you can add groups, you can add columns, you can separate, you can add a lot of things, a whole bunch of things here, a whole bunch of things. So button, this is a button saying click a button. So then you can add a link to the button that says uh, demo demo.text. You can see it's even trying to tell us, trying to suggest which link we are trying to add. Imagine. So we have that. Then so you can see I'm just going to preview that again for us to see. So as we do it, you preview so that you know if you're on the right track or not. You understand? You can see we have that, and when we click on it, it will lead us back to our demo site. You can see that now. So that's the the Gutenberg for you, because I can't go through everything in this video, but it will be great if you can do that on your own. You understand? So you can see that it looks like we are stuck with button, but we are not actually stuck with button. So you can just click on the outside and do your thing. So you have a gallery. That's what it's going to look like. Let's see if we can add an audio. So we can which audio can we add right now? I don't have an audio and I don't want to upload anyone because all my audios are kind of large. It would have been great if I can upload just one for us to see. So let me see if I can upload one right then. Music. Do I have anyone that has music? Yeah. Uh, See, I'm a Nigerian guy, so whatever you see here, you see there. Which one? Which one would be nice for us to hear? Okay, let's see if we can upload that. Wow, we can see it's already calculated the this thing for us, the timing for us and things like that. So let's preview that and let's see what we have. Oh, fine, you can see the audio now. So that's just the play. that's that. I don't know if you heard that, but that's just the audio, and that's what it's going to look like. So if you try to do a video also, the same thing will apply. You understand? So let's see if we can have a video, video. So you can do a search also. You can embed YouTube video. You can embed daily motion video. You can embed video. You can have video press. You can even embed TikTok video. You understand? So this is a very awesome tool for you to use. Very awesome. Let's see if you can embed a YouTube video. I don't know if we can have a YouTube. Oh, I think we have a YouTube URL. So let's see. VTU business com should have a YouTube video that we can embed. Um, 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 Sorry, it's taking a bit of time. Oh, good. I'm just gonna copy embed code. Sorry, URL rather. I'm gonna copy video URL. Then come here and paste the URL here. You understand? So you can see what we have here now. That's the video. So if you tend to try to preview it again, that's what we're gonna have on the front end. So it now depends on how you want to arrange these things that you are seeing. You can see what we have here. So it depends on how you want to arrange it, and on and on. So I think that's that for Gutenberg. Well, you might be thinking I did this alone for posts. I didn't do it alone for posts. It can be it is the same thing as is applicable to pages. So the same thing is applicable to pages. So I just used one stone to kill two birds. If you have any question pertaining to this, please let us know in the comments below. We will be sure to answer you no matter how long it takes. Thank you very much. Like we've always said, kindly support us with your likes and with your subscription. Then invite friends to subscribe also, so that we can keep making these videos. Kindly support us because our target right now well, because we're starting out, so our target right now is still 1,000. It's still 1,000. So kindly help us to share the video, and thank you very much. Stay tuned and God bless.